Jacksonville. The National Weather Service in Jacksonville has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Baker County in northeastern Florida, northern Columbia County in northern Florida, northeastern Suwannee County in northern Florida, southeastern Hamilton County in northern Florida, south central Ware County in southeastern Georgia, southeastern Clinch County in southeastern Georgia, until 10:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:58 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a confirmed large and destructive tornado was observed near Suwannee Springs, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for Jacksonville. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, deadly tornado. Source, radar confirmed tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses and vehicles is likely and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near White Springs around 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect